Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this musical instrument. The brand is THOMANN from Germany. So this is called a LuteHarp. It's pretty rare. Usually hear a harp or a lyre, which is easier to get a hold of here in the United States, but I wanted something a little bit bigger than a lyre and not as big as a harp. So this is like a crossover. So this came from Germany, and I didn't realize that the tariff would kick in for this one. So yeah, the tariff was pretty big, but it's worth it. I got this for my birthday. So the accessories that came with a LuteHarp would be a LuteHarp string set. So it's from THOMANN. It's a big musical manufacturer in Europe. So it came with a 22 string set for a backup, and then it came with a this tuner, wooden tuner thing. It did not came with anything else. There's no instruction, but you can try to look that up on YouTube. There is not a lot about lute harps on YouTube, but you can actually play it like a harp. So you can look for like tutorials for lyre and harp on YouTube to learn this instrument. So let's go ahead and look at the instrument itself. So the nice thing is that it came with a bag, which is really nice. And I got this book from Amazon. So this is the harp. It's the LuteHarp, and it's really pretty. It's shaped like a harp, and it's 22 strings. As you can see, there's the box here as a soundboard. I like the two-toned color. So we have a dark wood here and then the lighter wood here. And this is how you access the string if you need to change it. It's already stringed when it got here. I did a tutorial for how to tune this harp, LuteHarp. I've tuned the first 3 strings using the piano and using an app, just a random app. So this LuteHarp is diatonic. It's not chromatic, so it's just like CD. You got like 3 octaves here. I was trying to tune it with a C4, C5, C6, and then the C7 on the last string, but I think that stretched this first string too tight, so I might go down a little bit. So I'm going to start from C3, C4, C5, and then we got a C6 string here. So the red string is the C, the F is the blue. So that's a really nice indicator that it has some color since it is 22 strings. So this is the look. It's very well made, and it's pretty heavy. So right now I'm gonna be showing you so if you're familiar with harps, some of those harps has like a lever. This one does not come with a lever, so this is just like the basic diatonic sound. You don't get the C sharps, the D sharps, the flats. So you can be like, I'm gonna show you this. I got a folk harm hymns. As you can see, you can play the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So, and this book is like based on the C scale, so it works for this harp. So I'm gonna show you how the tuner works. So let's see here in the back part. So I'm just gonna show you. So this is the thing. It just fits straight in there, and then you just turn clockwise and counterclockwise if you go up or down the scale, and just make sure it's corresponding the correct string when you're tuning. So like this one, this is the C string, and then if you go here, you're on the F string. And I did try to tune it a couple times a day because it's a newer LuteHarp. It doesn't stay in tune right away, and I think that is normal. I've read about it. It's normal, but just keep on tuning your harp a couple times a day, and finally it sets in the wood and then the stretch of the string, and then you'll get a well-tuned harp for longer periods. So that is our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll be sharing more videos about how I'm learning with the harp. I actually have a separate channel for like music instruments and covers with my children. So it's called, I'm plugging it in, but it's called Raising a Quartet. So those, we're going to be posting our videos with like songs and musical instruments and pianos and the instruments that we have learned through that channel. It's Raising a Quartet. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.